2008, we partnered with the Mayor's office in Copenhagen, and we're exploring mobility in the city in new ways. How can digital technology impact mobility in Copenhagen? Now, I don't know if you've been to Copenhagen, but Copenhagen has more bikes than people. It's true, 1.0 something bikes per person. More than 50% of the trips today are being done by bicycle. We decided to ask, how can you use digital technologies to enhance the biking experience? We developed a wheel. It's actually the hub that you stick into the back wheel of a bike. It's completely wireless, autonomous, plug and play. It captures your energy when you brake, and it gives you a push when you need it, an automatic push. It also has a computer inside, a small microprocessor. It's always online, has a GPS, and it can communicate with your mobile phone. Now, in practice, when you get on your bike, the experience is just as if you're biking on a normal bike, but you feel lighter or you feel stronger. So there are sensors inside the wheel that understand how much energy you put out when you bike, and then via your phone you can ask, make me twice as strong, make me 3 times as strong. And using the energy that's stored in a set of batteries inside the hub actually gives you a push. No throttle, no nothing. So the idea is that, think of cities that were built around the car. So many of our modern cities were built around the automobile. If we want to make them relevant to biking, we should allow the bike to extend its range, to go uphill more easily. The other thing is that if you have all this data processing capability inside the wheel, you can also offer advanced services with the bike. So all the data we collect, whether it's location or other sensors that you can actually plug into the rear wheel of this bike, goes online into open APIs. So you can write apps for the bike or social apps for multiple bikes. You can do fleet management. So there are all sorts of things you could do on the digital layer of the data associated with these bikes that enhances mobility in another way. When we launched the project in 2009, we actually plugged several air quality measurement devices and temperature measurement devices and used the data collected by people biking to create a collective map of different pollutants in the city. So that's just one example what you can do with a data layer on this bike. One of the most important things about the Copenhagen wheel is that it's completely wireless, so there's no batteries, there are no batteries, no wires. You just stick it on your bike and you can put it on any bike. So think about this as a way to almost augment your normal bike. There's no need to rethink the bike because it's one of the more efficient machines that we're using today. But you can stick it in and make it slightly improved.